Today, we're making the ultimate buffalo fried chicken burger. Crispy, juicy, spicy, all from scratch. First, marinate your chicken in buttermilk with garlic, paprika, and black pepper. Let it soak for that tender bite. Next, coat it in seasoned flour, double dip for maximum crunch, and fry until golden, crispy, and irresistible. Now for the fiery twist, our homemade buffalo sauce. Melt butter, add hot sauce, a touch of honey, and fiery Scotch Bonnet for that perfect kick. Balance the heat with creamy ranch, mayo, sour cream, garlic, fresh herbs, and a squeeze of lemon. Smooth, fresh, and cooling. Time to build. Soft toasted buns, a drizzle of ranch, crispy lettuce, that golden fried chicken dipped in buffalo sauce, more ranch on top, and finally the lid. And there it is, a towering buffalo fried chicken burger with bold flavor, creamy balance, and a spicy punch you'll never forget. One bite, and you'll know this is burger heaven.